Okay. Little hoarse right now. I'm drinking some water. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I keep saying so a lot. Today I am going to do an open box. I have finally got me a new iPad. I got the iPad 10 generation. I bought this I had ordered it and picked it up. That was last week. It was Friday. The date. Oh no, I forgot the date of it, but I know it was last week. I had got it. I had ordered it online. I decided to get it. I said, well, I have the money. I save it up. I save my money up. I got it. So now I'm gonna do an open box, and so I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. But before we get started, I'm gonna say hi. My name is Tiffany, and this is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification. Follow my social medias, they be in the description box. But let's get started into this video. They just don't want to come out. Oh my gosh, this is like so awesome. The book. This. Oh my Lord, this is so pretty. Like that. Now, got this. Have the pen theme. God damn it. It says take a few minutes to activate your iPad. It says this, and also says touch ID. So like the finger. So I have to like. It's like it says you have to do like this. So almost done. There's another. It says enroll fingerprint easily unlock. Well, I do that. I do it later. So I'm gonna create a pen. So I gotta create a pen. Say all that is. It says restore from your iCloud backup. So I gotta log in my iCloud. So right now it is restoring my cloud on my iCloud that I had updated on my old iPad. So yeah, it's kind of coming up on here. So it's coming on. Now my iPad is set. I got all the stuff that I have. It's in restoring because it got like the apps that I have on my iPad, and also it also connect to my phone because my iPhone too. So I got like all that. But I'm gonna change my background because I'm gonna change this background different. Oh shit, let me do that. I'm gonna change the background different. So yeah. Okay guys, so y'all probably saw on this new iPad, my new iPad I got. So it has the same background as my old one. So let me show you my old one. That one I gotta log out of that one and remove that off my account, my iCloud account, and also reset the iPad because I gotta send that off in 7 days. Until 7 days, I gotta send it off before, you know. I'll probably send it off tomorrow or maybe the next day I would send it off. I have until Saturday to send it off. So yeah, but let me show you the other one. Wait a minute. It's cold. This mucus is in my throat trying to come out. So this is my old iPad. This is my old iPad that I have. It looked like how it looks in the size difference. I'm trying not to. So this, I'm gonna reset it and log out to the iCloud off of it. Let me put this back on the charger. Okay. Also, I forgot. I gotta show y'all the pen. I didn't show it to y'all really good, but I want to show it better because I was trying to open it at first, but it didn't want to let me open it. So I'm gonna have to get out my scissors. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut myself. Okay, now I got it open. I know y'all probably hear the fan. That's the fan y'all hear in the background. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the, I forgot to tell you, this is the Apple Pen, the first one generation. So I really meant that Apple Pencil, not pen. I don't know why I'm saying that. I'm just want to let y'all know that. I'm still a little hoarse a little bit. I feel better right now, but I'm just letting you know about that generation. So this is the first one. Now onto this. This is like the other ones. It's just like that. Let me break this thing up. It's coming out. Those other two. And let's get this one open. And also it has this in the back that says this. But it shows you, I know I saw some videos of it. It tells you that you have to use the core, your USB core, and also, as they said, it's the only one. This is the first, the Apple Pen first will work on 10 generation. It won't work on the, I think another iPad Pro or something, the iPad Pro or something. It won't work. The the Apple Pen 2 will work on that one. That I heard. I saw some videos about it. I will do some more update, give y'all my opinions about it, and get some more. I'm gonna also test this out too. I'm trying to rest my voice, so I will test it out in the next time in another video. We'll kind of show y'all about this pen and testing it out. That I'm just letting this charge up. I gotta kind of like, also with my old iPad, I gotta log out of this, do some of that, and so I can get this video up. If I edit it today and get it up, probably get up tomorrow or the next, or in 2 days. But if y'all like this video, just thumbs up and comment below and tell me, do y'all got the iPad 10 generation or the another iPad that you got? Tell me what y'all think of different from this one, or what y'all thought of. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Click the bell notification. Subscribe to my second channel, my vlogging channel, and share this video. Follow my social media. I can get my words out right. I'm trying not to. This allergies mess with me. Follow my social medias that be in the description box. But I'll see y'all in my next video. I hope y'all enjoy this, and stay classy, stay sexy. Be you, do you. And I'll see y'all, like I said, see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. Peace, y'all.